is known for its stunningly beautiful scenery, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the most picturesque places that you absolutely have to see. If you're looking for a vacation destination or just want to see some amazing sights, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of Europe. Number 12. The Azores, Portugal. Nestled in the Atlantic Ocean, the Azores are an archipelago of 9 volcanic islands that offer visitors a wide variety of activities and stunning natural scenery. Although the islands are fairly small, each one has its own unique character. São Miguel, for example, is known for its lush gardens, while Pico Island is home to the highest mountain in Portugal. The Azores are also a heaven for wildlife lovers, as the islands are home to a number of rare and endangered species. Travelers can take advantage of the many hiking and cycling trails, go whale watching or bird watching, or simply relax on one of the black sand beaches. With so much to offer, it's no wonder that the Azores are an increasingly popular travel destination. Number 11. Biarritz, France. Biarritz is a beautiful seaside town in the southwest of France. It is known for its stunning scenery, its rich history, and its fabulous food. The town is located on the Bay of Biscay, just north of Spain. Biarritz has been a popular destination for travelers for centuries. In the 19th century, it was a popular destination for European royalty and the wealthy elite. Today, Biarritz is still a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. The town has a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget-friendly apartments. There are also plenty of activities to keep visitors entertained, from surfing and golfing to exploring the town's many museums and art galleries. Whether you're looking for a relaxing seaside vacation or an action-packed adventure, Biarritz is sure to have something to offer. Number 10. Capri, Italy. Capri is an island off the coast of Italy that is renowned for its dramatic scenery, luxury hotels, and chic boutiques. The island is accessible by ferry from Naples or by private boat. Once on the island, visitors can explore the town of Capri, take a tour of the Blue Grotto, or hike to the top of Monte Solaro for panoramic views. Capri is also home to a number of upscale restaurants, making it the perfect place to enjoy a leisurely meal with friends or family. Whether you're looking for a relaxing getaway or an action-packed vacation, Capri has something to offer everyone. Number 9. Lapland, Finland. Lapland is a popular travel destination for those who enjoy winter activities such as skiing and snowboarding. The region offers a wide variety of ski resorts, as well as opportunities for cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. In addition to its winter attractions, Lapland is also home to a number of cultural attractions. Visitors can learn about the Sami people, who have traditionally made their home in the region, or explore the Santa Claus village in Rovaniemi. With its spectacular scenery and wide range of activities, Lapland is an ideal destination for a winter vacation. Number 8. Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. The Cliffs of Moher are one of the most popular tourist destinations in Ireland. Located on the west coast of the country, the cliffs offer breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and the surrounding countryside. Visitors can also enjoy a variety of activities such as hiking, cycling, and bird watching. Although the cliffs are a natural wonder, they are also home to a number of man-made attractions such as O'Brien's Tower and the Visitor Centre. The Cliffs of Moher are an essential part of any trip to Ireland and should not be missed. Number 7. Rakotzbruck, Germany. Rakotzbruck, Germany, is an enchanting travel destination. The Rakotzbruck, or Devil's Bridge, is a 18th century stone bridge that spans a small lake. The bridge is particularly special because it forms a perfect circle when it is reflected in the water below. Visitors to Rakotzbruck can take in the stunning views, or walk across the bridge for a closer look. The gardens around the lake are also worth exploring, as they are home to a variety of plant life and wildlife. Rakotzbruck is a truly unique place, and it is sure to leave any traveler with lasting memories. Number 6. Meteora, Greece. Meteora is a rock formation in central Greece. The name comes from the Greek word meteoros, meaning suspended in air. Meteora is home to a number of Byzantine monasteries that were built atop the rock columns. Today, only 6 of the original 24 monasteries are still standing. Despite their remote location, the monasteries were once an important center of learning and culture. Today, they are a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. The monasteries can be accessed by a system of stairways and bridges, and many offer stunning views of the surrounding countryside. A visit to Meteora is an unforgettable experience and a must-see for anyone traveling to Greece. Number 5. Pulpit Rock. Located in Norway, Pulpit Rock is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Standing at 604 meters, 1982 feet, it offers breathtaking views of the Lice Jordan below. Visitors can take a hike to the top of the rock, or take a ferry ride from the town of Stavanger. Once at the top, they can enjoy panoramic views of the fjord and the surrounding mountains. In addition, there are several restaurants and cafes located near the rock, making it an ideal place to spend a day outdoors. With its stunning scenery and variety of activities, Pulpit Rock is an unforgettable destination for travelers from all over the world. Number 4. Faroe Islands. The Faroe Islands are an archipelago located in the North Atlantic Ocean, halfway between Iceland and Norway. The 18 islands are volcanic in origin and have a population of around 50,000 people. The Faroe Islands are a self-governing territory of Denmark and are known for their dramatic scenery, with towering cliffs, waterfalls, and green valleys. The islands also boast a rich history and culture, with a thriving music scene and a traditional Faroese diet of seafood and mutton. Visitors to the Faroe Islands can enjoy hiking and birdwatching in the stunning landscapes, or explore the island's capital, Tórshavn. With its remote location and unspoiled beauty, the Faroe Islands offer a truly unique travel experience. Number 3. Neuschwanstein Castle, Bavaria, Germany. Neuschwanstein Castle is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Bavaria, Germany. The castle was built in the 19th century by King Ludwig II and is known for its romantic style of architecture. Visitors can tour the castle's interior, which includes a number of royal apartments and a throne room. The castle also has an outdoor courtyard and gardens. Neuschwanstein Castle is located on a hilltop above the village of Hohenschwangau and can be reached via a short hike or a horse-drawn carriage ride. The castle is open to the public year-round and receives over 1.3 million visitors each year. Number 2. Mount Titlis and Lucerne Day Tour from Zurich. Mount Titlis is the highest peak in central Switzerland and offers breathtaking views of the Alps. The mountain is also home to the world's first revolving cable car, which takes visitors to the summit. Lucerne is a beautiful city located at the base of Mount Pilatus. The city is known for its picturesque bridges, medieval buildings, and stunning mountain scenery. The Lucerne Day Tour from Zurich allows you to experience both of these amazing destinations in one day. The tour includes round-trip transportation from Zurich, as well as a guided tour of Lucerne. You will also have free time to explore Mount Titlis on your own. This is an unforgettable way to experience two of Switzerland's most popular tourist destinations. Number 1. The Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most iconic structures in the world, and it is also one of the most popular tourist destinations in France. Each year, millions of people flock to Paris to experience the tower's stunning architecture and breathtaking views. The tower was built in 1889 as a temporary exhibit for the World's Fair, but it quickly became a permanent fixture of the Parisian skyline. Today, the tower is more than just a tourist attraction, it is also an important symbol of French culture and history. If you are planning a trip to Paris, be sure to add a visit to the Eiffel Tower to your itinerary. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.